Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious beef tapa. First, select a tender cut of beef, like sirloin or flank, and slice it thinly against the grain. This ensures a tender bite. Next, prepare your marinade by combining soy sauce, vinegar, a touch of sugar, and plenty of minced garlic. Mix these ingredients well. Finally, add your sliced beef to the marinade, ensuring every piece is coated. Let it marinate for at least 3 hours or, ideally, overnight in the refrigerator for maximum flavor absorption. Once your beef is perfectly marinated, it's time to cook. You have a few excellent options. For a classic approach, pan-fry the tapa in a hot skillet with a little oil until the edges are slightly crispy and the beef is cooked through. Alternatively, for a smoky depth, you can grill the tapa over medium-high heat, achieving those desirable char marks. If you prefer baking, spread the tapa on a baking sheet and cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes, flipping halfway. Now that your beef tapa is cooked to perfection, let's talk about serving it. The traditional way to enjoy tapa is with a generous serving of garlic fried rice and a perfectly fried egg, creating a hearty and satisfying meal. To add a refreshing contrast, consider including a side of pickled vegetables, like achara. For those who love an extra kick, a simple dipping sauce made from vinegar and chili flakes complements the rich flavors of the tapa beautifully. Enjoy this delightful Filipino breakfast staple any time of day. Here are a few final tips to elevate your beef tapa. Always opt for a tender cut of beef, such as sirloin or flank, for the best texture. Don't be afraid to adjust the marinade's sweetness or saltiness to suit your personal taste. A little experimentation can go a long way. Remember, the longer you marinate, the more flavorful your tapa will be. And speaking of making things easier, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.